Okay, so we're going to do a brief walkthrough here of how to follow our class on Google Wave. The first step is to follow your class's Google group. You will first need to go to the URL for your class. It'll be in the format of http://groups.google.com/group WXFORD, and that'll be followed by your class's time, so it'll either be 10:10, 11:15, or 12:20. The reason I'm showing you two different pages is because I have something posted to the 10:10 class for the other classes. The link is in a slightly different place. For the 10:10 class, you click Apply for Group Membership over here. You'll need to sign in with your Google account, and I'm already a member, so I'll already show signed in here. But you still get to see this option here, and select no email because we won't be using this group for any email. So you just do that, and then you'll click, instead of save these settings, apply for group. Same thing holds true for the 11:15 class and then for the 12:20 class. Once you've done that, go over to Google Wave, which is at wave.google.com. I'll type that in here so you can see that that link works. And then you sign in again with your Google account. I already pulled my sign in over from the Google Groups. And the first thing you'll need to do is find the contact for our class. This will be closely related to our Google group name. So the first one we'll try is Wixford 1010. Replace it with your class time at googlegroups.com. Now I already have this as a contact. If you don't have that as a contact, it'll say this person is not in your contacts list. Would you like to add them? Click yes. Once you do that, you'll be to this point. You'll click here, and it'll show you the contact information. And you'll click on the Group Waves button right here. When you click that, it'll create a search here, which will pull up all the waves tagged with your class. Next step you'll do is you can copy. So Control-C, Apple-C on Mac. And that group search, and then you go over to searches here, you click the plus button to add a new one. You can title it whatever you like. So for example, English 11:02 M 10:10. I go for something shorter, so we'll just do 10:10. And query is where you paste that in, so it'll be group : Wixford 10:10, 11:15, 12:20 at googlegroups.com. You click submit, and then that search shows up. It'll pull up everything tagged with our class. And that's all you'll need to do. Beyond that, we'll discuss Google Wave more in class, but hopefully that will give you enough information to get logged in with Wave, following the waves for a class. If you don't join the Google group and you follow the rest of these steps, you'll see a blank page here in this window when you do the search. So it's important that you sign in for that Google group first. I'll try and post a text walkthrough later.